you guys, this is Ha from Happy Days in First Grade, and I'm so excited to share with you how I created my first virtual classroom. So I shared this image here on Instagram, and I had a lot of questions on how I made it, so I thought I would make a tutorial for you all. When I thought about making a virtual classroom for my kids, I wanted to make sure that I was using real images and make it as real as I can for the kids so that when we do go back in the classroom, there's things on here that they would recognize and already feel familiar with. Okay, so these are some of the images from things in my classroom and then things that I also found on Google. So let's get started. So you want to start with a blank screen, and you are going to right click and then add a background. So change background. You're going to choose your image, and then you're going to search for wall floor. I typed in wall floor and I found this image right here that I really love, so I decided to use it. You could also search for classroom, or you could use an image that you already have of your classroom if you want to. Then you're going to click insert and then done. Okay, so to add an image of something that you already have in your classroom, you're going to click to insert image, then upload from computer. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down to find it. So I want to use this birthday wall here that I have of my classroom. I'm going to resize it. Then I'm going to crop it because I don't need all the extra stuff in the picture. Then I'm going to right click it, and then I have my birthday wall like that. Okay. Now, if you have a picture that you want to use, like for instance, a picture of yourself, you're going to do the same. So you're going to click insert image, and then from the computer, you're going to go and look for that picture. So like this is the picture that I want to use. However, I don't want to use the background. So to remove the background, I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to go to remove.bg/upload, and I'm going to upload the picture that I want. And then this free website is going to remove the image for me. So, and I really love this because it's so easy and it's free and it's instant. So that's the original, and then that's the image with the removed background. So I'm going to click to download, and then I'm going to go back into my classroom and insert image from the computer. And then it should be the last downloaded picture, I mean. And then you click to insert it, and then you can resize it. So there I am in my virtual classroom. Now, if you want to add an image from Google, you can click to search the web. And here I typed in a table, and I went ahead and added transparent so that I can have a transparent background. So I'm going to take that off. Yep. I'm going to take this picture. I'm going to insert it. Uh-oh. There. Yes, I'm going to insert this picture. Then I'm going to resize it. So I don't want the picture in front of me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Arrange, Order, and I'm going to bring it back. And then there. It's going to be behind me. Okay, so that's just some tips and tricks on how you can insert pictures of your own classroom or from the internet to make your own virtual classroom. If you would like to purchase the decor from my classroom, they are on TPT, and I will drop the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like what you see, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. See you later.